She's the it girl, she can't control it. She has it.
Deputy Commissioner kari Bhoi District Arpit Upadhyaya mentakasikan rutruk Jemang lo ayo penpli pajba ika wega Jaka Jngohkai Pyrthei kabadan hak Shnong Lawbyrwa ri Bhoi District. Ya kata ka Jaka Jngohkai la tip kerteng kum kalum ksait to respot. Ya kan ka Jaka Jngohkai jong Shnong Lawbyrwa la pon wandorhi dari nongsong Shnong jong ka Shnong bat ya ka jinglot jinsap la pon lothi dari dorbar Shnong. Hakan ka snipli na lor Deputy Commissioner kari Bhoi la sakhi dari jinga donlang ba I swear Director Basin Development uba di Lendam uba rijet kharkrang rang ba Shnong ka Lawbyrwa kidukot ka VO bat kinong Shnong.
Plie kene kalong ba kajing temu kalong ba ngila ban pen plie kata kalat yo kam yo jam ki kena kumba pi akum kene ga juk ke bamenta ka jenjar ban yo kam te pasong hangi kinong alam Shnong hangi ki member Shnong bat kinong song Shnong kirurong ba jong ka Shnong ba kumdongin panwandur ban pansaindur ya ka Shnong te ngila idon kam ba langde ngila ban im ada kaya kene ka Jaka mut kena kini yo kam nangta kilong tumi ki yo kam lang ban pen khoi ban penitanat ya Jaka nangta kidukan ki badan hapo Shnong ro kini ya lang te kan ngine yo ban kiu lang nama ka Shnong ka baduk bon ki pri ka baduk te nakata kadao ngesim khia kini ka kam te ngangej ba aga jinga lenti yedon nang ni ki ba la ban yarap bingi ngasu nagalian jonga kumurong ba Shnong super pa la da yedon la lenti nagaliang jung pi ke bedan hang ni subha isna ilam mengi namar ba kumakalong mentang ila suya perlut hi naka jinglut jingsat naka Shnong kat badan te ki badan hang ni lada yedan keno kalat kalinti ini trilang ban penbaha lang ya kan ka Shnong jungi.
After this, I would like to just tell about three things. First is how to harness the potential of tourism for the development of the village, for development of the Shnong. And I would urge all the people to use all the means possible, whether it is social media or through organizing any events or exposure trips, so that the place becomes quite famous amongst all, and it should become a go-to place for all the tourists who would like to come to for trekking or for visiting a waterfall or for having a good picnic. In this way, there is a lot of potential for the livelihood of the people here and overall development of the Shnong. However, it has been seen many times that once the tourism starts developing, there are certain challenges that also comes up with that. So I would urge all of you from the beginning itself, start promoting a very sustainable model of tourism